were sent these nail renewal patches, and my husband's actually using them for some fungus on his toenail, but he just started using it, so we don't have a good before and after yet. But I do want to show you one thing that I did discover with them, and I think it will help you when you go to get it. So you want to remove the backing. So peel away the backing. This is a plastic covering, and that's covering where basically the medicine is to help with whatever is on your nail and help strengthen your nail. So you have to know to take this part off, because we both put it on and then realized after we took it off after 24 hours that this was on it and it was completely ineffective. So you want to do that. And then if you're going to do it on a toenail, pretty intuitive, but you would simply wrap it around, and then you leave it on for 24 hours, take it off, replace it, put another one on, do that up to a week, and you should start seeing that difference. So great for helping nails. It's nice and designed so that it can fit over a toenail really easily. Just make sure you realize there's that clear plastic to take off, because both of us, without talking to each other, both of us didn't realize it was there. And that was something where I realized if two of us can make that mistake, a lot of other people might make it as well. So definitely get these if you need it for your nails. And we'll be back with an update of how it works for his toenail. Hopefully it can help fix what he has going on there.